Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add text in Ultimaker Cura. So as you can already know, Cura does not have a built-in text tool. So what we can do is um, we can download and free install the 3D Builder. So Microsoft 3D Builder, it's free. Or we can use also like online tool like Tinkercad. Uh, you will need to create a free account and then you will import and upload your 3D model file like in Microsoft 3D Builder. But if you don't want to use that, any of those two options, we can also do that inside Cura. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to know these two options with Microsoft 3D Builder or Tinkercad. Right now we will focus on here on inside Cura, that you don't need to use any other software. Uh, but yeah, we will still use it, but not to install it and so on. So Cura has one hidden trick. It can convert regular 2D image file into 3D shape. So if you want to print a standalone flat sign or standalone text, you can do it without CAD softwares. So we will do and open the image editor. So I will open the Canva, which probably you have it. So let me open that one. So something like that. Okay. Now we can type text into it. So make sure the background is pure white and the text is pure black. So let's say we will type in test. This is just for, or we can test. I will do it wizard how. And yeah, make sure the text is bold. I will also put here the font 40. And now what we are going to do is save it. So we will save it as a PNG or JPEG picture. So let's go to the share, download, and here I will select, okay, now we are in the wrong template. So let me select another template, which will be A4. All right, something like that. I will put it like so. Let's size this a little bit like that. And now we can share here, boom, as I mentioned, PNG or JPEG. And now I can download this. Okay, so now we can go back to Cura. And what we are going to do is click on File and then Open Files. And then select picture that you or just downloaded. So let's see right here. Okay, so I need to go back to Canva because I think I downloaded everything. So we don't want, okay, this page yet, like so. So we just want the photo. So let's go back here. Now file, open files. And right here we have PNG file like so. Okay, now a menu called convert image will pop up, and now change those settings. Set how thick you want your 3D letters to be, so height, and yeah, let's say 3 millimeters right here. Then base, set it to 1 millimeter, and yeah, this is if you want a flat backing holding the letters together, or set it to 0 if you want individual loose letters. So you decide what you want here. Now click OK, and Cura will generate a 3D printable version of your text image instantly. As you can see right over here, it looks like a little bit 3D. So let me move, and just like that. Let's zoom out a little bit, and as you can see, it is a little bit of 3D text. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.